Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hello traders, this is Jason with your daily market update. The US dollar continued to climb this week after the release of June's consumer price index report, prompting traders to reassess expectations for Fed policy easing. As hopes for a near-term rate cut fade, the dollar is gaining strength, with the Fed expected to remain cautious until inflation clearly trends toward the 2% target. The dollar index is holding near 98.5, the highest since late June, with strong bullish momentum. WTI Crude traded around $65.6 on Wednesday. Prices edged lower after President Trump gave Russia a 50-day deadline to end the war in Ukraine, easing concerns over potential supply disruptions. He also threatened sanctions on those buying Russian exports unless a peace deal is reached. The looming deadline has slightly reduced geopolitical risk, pushing prices down. Adding to the pressure, US crude stockpiles rose unexpectedly last week, signaling weaker demand. Gold rose to $3,345 an ounce on Wednesday, rebounding after 2 days of losses. Investors are digesting rising US inflation and ongoing trade uncertainty. June CPI posted its fastest increase in 5 months, fueling speculation that tariffs may be driving inflation higher. This helped lift the dollar and bond yields, putting pressure on gold earlier. Still, despite recent weakness, market sentiment hasn't turned outright bearish. On Wednesday, the yen attempted to recover some ground against the dollar as rumors about President Trump potentially firing Fed Chair Jerome Powell made headlines, only to cool off later. After touching 149.19 USD, JPY dropped back near 147. The dollar started strong but lost steam as political uncertainty rattled investors. Tuesday's CPI data showed rising consumer inflation, lowering chances of a rate cut. As we move into mid-July, EUR USD is undergoing a clear pullback after months of steady gains, falling from highs near 1,830 to around 1,592. Technically and fundamentally, signals are mixed and market views are diverging. The dollar remains strong on Fed rate expectations, and new tariffs announced by Trump, like a 35% levy on Canadian exports, shaving weakened dollar sentiment.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.